All right, guys, good morning. So I just set out from my place and I am just in the Pictou Harbor area, I believe that's called. I didn't want to do the opening from the house because this is a good day. We are heading for Cape Breton and to do the Cabot Trail. So parts of it are called something else, but we will be on the Cabot Trail for a good chunk of it, heading up to Inverness. And once I get that far north, I will decide what I'm going to do, if I'm going to start heading back or if I'm going to extend it out. It's just going to depend on funds, guys. Haven't been making a lot of money. Had some downtime at work, unfortunately, for a bit here. So anyways, guys, really excited about this and can't wait to get going. I'm kind of facing this way. I should be facing the ocean, but the sun is really coming out strong. So there you go. I wasn't sure what that shot would look like, but anyways, guys, really excited about this. Been wanting to get back to the Cape Breton area since I went there last year with Nick to the Margaree Valley, but I've really been wanting to go there for even longer than that. So that little taste I had last summer really got my appetite going for it. So let's get going. I'm going to stop at Timmy's and get a little coffee and a little fuel for the body, and we're going to start making our way. The first couple days, so the first night I'm going to be camping near Antigonish, I hope. And then the next day I will make my way to Port Hastings, and I'm going to decide from there because it's only about a 60-kilometer day. I may go a little further or I may grab a campground that's near there. So that's all kind of to be determined. So let's get this show on the road, guys. Very exciting. Alright guys, just grabbed some water and some snacks and whatnot at the store here at the gas station. Grabbed a coffee and hash brown from Timmy's, and we're going to get on the road. So not going to be a lot of extra special recording today. It's going to be a lot of highway riding, so let's get at her. Ooh, just getting my ass kicked by a couple climbs. Phew. Haven't been riding as much as I should lately. It's hot. It's 10 a.m. and it's already pretty hot. Just stopped off at this roundabout to get my bearings. Pretty hot one today, as you can see by the unbuttoned shirt. I'm not trying to be macho or anything, it's just hot. So anyways, we're heading for Antigonish. Not going to be a real cinematic day, I don't think, but you never know. Let's get back at her. Pulled over to take a break and I stopped near some I don't know, they're sort of like raspberries. They don't seem like blackberries, but I guess maybe they are, and they're pretty good. Most of them, as you can see, aren't ripe yet. Like those ones, you can't eat them. They're rock hard and they're sour, I would imagine, but there are some that have some ripe ones. I don't want to eat too many because they're a little tart. So yeah, this is just where I'm stopped at. Really nice spot, nice forest right here. I don't know where this leads to. I might look at Google, I'm not sure. Well, I will, but yeah. So I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of hit a little shitty spot around 50K here. I'm not feeling the greatest. I got a really bad headache. I think it's because my neck's sore, but I'll get through it. Heading for Antigonish. I'm either going to camp there tonight or I'm going to stay at St. Francis Xavier dorm rooms. They're very cheap, and it just might be the thing to do because the campground at Antigonish is it's not wild, right? So I mean, really, what's the point? The point of this whole trip is to get to Cape Breton and to get on the Celtic Shore. Oh God, the Celtic Shores. Can't remember. Anyways, the Celtic Shores Trail. That's kind of the whole goal, and get into Cape Breton, the Cabot Trail, Celtic Shores Trail, and do that. So yeah, the back bag, like I was just saying, it is insulated. Things seem pretty cold in here. I'm not gonna lie. We got some potato salad. I don't think I'm gonna have that right now. But yeah, I'm really happy with having the food in there. It's nice to have a cold pop right now. And it is pretty cold too, considering how hot it is, and I've been out in the sun the whole time. So anyways, yeah, good addition. I wasn't sure if I'd ever use it for that, but I'm liking it so far. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna relax here and get my wits about me, and then head for Antigonish. All right, guys, had a much needed rest. Feel a little better. I did take a leave. I don't really like taking leave and stuff like that too much. Just not good for you to take it on a regular basis, but when my neck is this sore, it's also not good for me to be in this much pain. So I took a leave. I'm hoping it takes the edge off. If I was closer to being done, I would have taken 2, but anyways, we are headed for Oasis Campground in Antigonish and campsite 9, and Al said he'll either catch up with me tonight or in the morning, so pretty laid back, which is what the reviews said. But anyways, we're going to be heading out, or we're going to have to jump back on the Trans-Canada, it looks like. And it is what it is. There's really no other way unless I want to tack on about 30 kilometers to my total. So, and I don't. So let's get going, guys. Guys, I was gonna actually stay at St. FX again, St. Francis Xavier University, like I did last year on my Cross Canada, but they are getting ready for the school season, so I missed out. So I'm going to the campground. I'm just feeling hot and sweaty. I was thinking it would be cool to get a shower, and it's cheap, so $50. I don't even know what the campground's gonna cost. I didn't ask. If it ends up being 30, then you know what I mean. I'd rather spend the extra 20. It's just a generic campground. It's not like it's, you know, got waterfalls and rainbows and all that. walked this way last year. I think this is called Founder's Walk or something. Must have something to do with the founding of the university, obviously. Alright guys, so we are at Camp Oasis Camp Motel and Campground. It's nothing great. I hope I don't have to pay too much for it, but anyways, there's a shower and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm going to get camp set up and I'll show you the setup, and then I'm probably going to be going to bed early tonight. I want to get over into Port Hastings and maybe get a bit further tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna get camp set up and then I'll show you what's going on. All right guys, so I am just in camp. As I said, I am going to make myself something to eat, and then I am going to call it a night. I want to get up early, as I think I've already mentioned, and get at it. So I'm going to eat and just relax for a bit, and then I am going to head out. So not a lot going on here for me. It's just a generic RV campground, so no use staying up late with the campfire, and I don't have a fire pit at this one. When I got here, I was in a total sunspot, so I asked if I could move to this one. I wasn't planning on having a fire anyway. So anyways guys, tomorrow we will be in Cape Breton, and I can't wait to get there. I am just gonna have some hot dogs for dinner tonight. As you can see here, camp's all set up. Typical gear bomb. The rear bag did not keep the stuff cold as I had hoped it would. The stuff, by the time I got here, the stuff was fairly warm, so it is what it is. So anyways, I'm gonna have a good night here and just relax, and then I will see you guys in the morning. I hope you're doing well.